Hello everyone, this is Coach Wade, your one-stop resource to help you make money, save money, and add convenience to your everyday life. Right now we're on the website of LegalShield, and I will put a link in the description for the video to bring you directly to this resource. And once you get here, be sure to scroll down to the bottom of the page until you see the legal and identity plan right here, starting as little as $44.90 per month. Our identity theft specialists will provide one-on-one education and provide information to help you understand your valuable credit rating and actions that are likely to have an impact on your credit score when you have both a legal and identity plan with LegalShield. So once you're here, be sure to click on the Add to Cart button, and it's going to bring you over to this where you can see the different plans where you can choose from. These are needs-based solutions, so you choose according to what your basic needs are. There's a monthly and also annual plan, and you can save 10% on legal plans with an annual subscription. But first of all, there's the basic plan for members and their spouses. Speak with the provider on an unlimited number of personal legal issues. That's $29.95 per month. You also get access to legal services such as consultation, document review, and letters on your behalf. Covers you and your spouse. Prepare your will, create your power of attorney, traffic ticket assistance, one per year per person, defense for covered civil trials, and advice on consumer disputes such as debt, billing, and warranty issues. Again, that's $29.95 per month. Then there's a preferred plan. That's ideal for families. You get to speak with a provider on an unlimited number of personal legal issues and get enhanced legal support for your family. Includes all the features that's inside the basic, but in addition to that, it's going to cover you, your spouse, and eligible child dependents. Annual updates to your will, obtain an uncontested divorce, separation, or annulment, prenuptial or postnuptial agreement, uncontested adoption, review and negotiate rental lease as a tenant, reinstate your driver license, review mortgage documents, and collect vehicle property damages. Okay, so that's huge right there. And then there's the premium plan. Premium plan is full protection for the entire family. You speak with a provider on an unlimited number of personal legal issues with our most robust suite of legal services at your disposal. That's $49.95 per month. It's going to include all the features that's inside the preferred, but in addition to that, you could be able to establish a revocable living trust, assistance with the simplified probate, defense of death-related traffic charges, and representation during an IRS tax audit. So this is huge. Again, I will put a link in the description for the video. It's going to bring you directly over to the LegalShield resource, and you can take advantage of the legal plan and identity theft protection all wrapped up into one. So this is huge, folks. Again, until we meet again, you guys have a great day. Take care.